everyone, welcome back to the channel. This week, you guys, we are going to be making a double chocolate cake, double chocolate sheet cake to be matter of fact. The ingredients we will be using today will be the Duncan Hines dark chocolate fudge flour cake mix. We will also be using 3 eggs, water, oil, and of course Oreo cookies, which you will see later on, guys. I also have some whipped topping in the fridge. We are going to be layering our sheet cake with the whipped topping, and we're going to go ahead and crumble over some Oreos into our whipped topping, and we're going to spread that onto our sheet cake mix. If you're interested and you are a chocolate lover, you will love this week's dessert idea. So if you have these ingredients, guys, you can make it along with me, or you could just see how I do mine, and you could go ahead and whip up you one sometime during the week. So yeah, this week, Carter and Trinity, they are going to have a yummy dessert with their dinner, or after their dinner, shall I say. Because a lot of times with Carter, you guys, I don't even let him have a dessert if he does not finish his food. So that's how I get him sometimes to finish his food. He knows he's going to have a yummy dessert at the end. So that's a little inspiration for him. So if you have picky kids or little ones out there, guys, sometimes you have to give them a little push. You don't get this dessert until you are done with your food. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this whipped up. If you are new to the channel, I am AlphaDior, guys. I do yummy sweet treats. Also, we will soon be going into the different types of food that I will be preparing on the channel. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you will not miss a dessert idea each Sunday when I post. So yeah, welcome aboard. I will go ahead and get started. So yeah.